Alright, this is going to be the blowing up of the washing machine. Painting's too fast. We're going to blow that up. There's Hunter. With these guys here. Exploding targets, completely legal in North Carolina. It's going to make big boom. Big boom, lots of smoke. This is a zoom in of what we're going to be shooting at. As you can tell, it has been used before for many rounds of target practice. Might be its last day of target practice. Exploding targets.
Damn, boy, you been through something, haven't you?
Here's Hunter loading up the set me. Here's Jamie. And me. This is the damage of the little guy.
Because when this pops out, it's going to go flying. You got all these bands in here.
It's about 1 inch in diameter hole. The blue casing on it. Alright, here goes the second round. We have firmly planted that casing into a footstool.
Hey, yo, watch this!
Okay, something hit over here.
Shit.
Alright, we're going to check out the wreckage. You can still see the smoke. This is that one great footstool.
That was fucking awesome. It's bad when you need a wreck to clean up furniture out of your yard.
It didn't quite make it. Good.
In the spirit of Mythbusters, there's your problem.
Let's check out the damage.
I think I got the target. Where'd the target go?
Say Ziploc is freezer tough. Let's test it out.
Where's it at?
If I zoom in real far, you can see the container inside the washer. Let's go check the damage. There's the display for the washer. Here's the sides off the washer.
So let's have a look at the damage here.
There's the drum out of the washer.
You know, it's always a pain in the ass to get the drum out of your washer in case anything ever goes wrong with it. Nothing some exploding targets won't fix quite easily. Might have a few leaks, but other than that, it looks good. Oh.
Here's the back of the washer. They came from over there.
Wait.
I think we see part of the washer in there.
There's the lid.
Let's go find out.
Is that the lid? Yeah.
I found the lid to the washer. Through the trees from over there.
Where'd the barrel go?
bites the dust.
Retake, really big boom.
Ready? Fire in the hole.
Can we say, holy
Whoops.
crap?